Hello everyone. This is a short tutorial on Google Drive using it as a backup. Okay. Now to get it set up, you need to go to drive.google.com. Let me blow that up for you. I think I can. There we go. So drive.google.com. That's the page you need to go to. Press enter. You need to be logged in. If you're not logged in, you'll see something a little bit differently. For example, if I go right now to drive.google.com, I'll see a different page, a login page. Uh, you need to enter your email. It's better if it's a school email. If you use your personal email, you won't get as much space to back up your files. But if you do enter your school email, you'll get 15 gigabytes of space. Okay, so to install Google Drive, now this is the web interface, but to install it in your computer, you need to go to Settings, and I'm going to blow it up right here. Settings, Download Drive. Okay, there we go. And you should click Download Drive for Mac or PC. You're gonna have to go through the installation, accept the terms and install. Now I already have it installed. You need to follow the prompts, like it'll get installed, and once it finishes the installation, you will have an icon like this one that says Google Drive. Okay, and another thing that you will have is in your in your um, your computer, you will have a new folder in your quick access bar that's called Google Drive, and we have it right there. Right, so Google Drive. All right, now the thing about it is that everything that you put in this folder, this Google Drive folder, is going to be synced with the cloud, with Google Drive in Google servers. Okay, everything you put in here will be synced. So right now you can choose, because you might not want to have everything that's on your computer on Google Drive, or not everything that's on Google Drive in your computer. So you can choose, actually, if you go to Google Drive and click on the preferences, which are right here, settings, preferences, okay, you will be able to sync everything in your drive or only these folders. And only these folders will let you choose which folders from Google Drive do you want to put in your computer. Okay, so in the beginning you will probably have no folders, but you could make a folder. You could sync everything if you wanted to, or you could create a folder for your schoolwork inside the Google Drive folder right here, and sync that. Okay, now for example, I have my university folder right here. This is my university folder, and I'll show you right now that in my Google Drive I also have that university folder. And the way I've done it is that I asked in the settings to sync my university folder. That one's checked. Okay, so everything I have here is going to show up here. If I create a document here or a folder, let's create a Word document right now, just a sample document. In a few seconds, because it takes a few seconds, it'll show up here, sample document. All right, if I delete it from here, in a few seconds, it's going to sync and it's going to disappear from here. There you go. All right, similarly, if I create something here, so let's say that I create a new I don't know. Um, Drawing, a new drawing, and Google Drawings lets you do diagrams and things like that. We'll check that out in a little while. But if I create a new drawing and I call it a new drawing, right now it's saving it. All changes have been saved in Drive. In a few seconds, it's going to show up here, new drawing. Okay, so it is syncing from the web to my folder. Okay, and that's how the cool thing about it is that you can set it up so that everything that you save in your Google Drive over here is going to be backed up to the cloud. That's important because if something happens to your computer, you don't have to worry about USBs or getting your files out, or let's say that a virus infects your computer and you need to reinstall the operating system. You just sync again and install Google Drive again, sync it, and everything starts coming down from the backup in the cloud. Now, the one thing that could happen is that you might erase something here accidentally, and then it syncs, and this file is a shortcut. Content online will be lost if drive trash is emptied. You can see that. So, okay. So there you go, it's gone. Now in Drive, you can always find everything in the trash, everything um, that you have deleted. Uh, the cool thing is that this stays here. You can get it back from here, even if in your computer you empty the trash. Let's say it's going to be in the trash in Google Drive. Anywho, so that's how this works. It's one option for backup. There are other options, and you can have more than one installed. I have OneDrive installed, which does pretty much the same thing, but it's a Microsoft product. You could also try Dropbox, which is another product that does exactly the same thing. It creates a sync folder. Okay, this is the OneDrive for work. But Google Drive is good because you already have a Google account, a school Google account, and with the school Google account, you get 15 gigabytes of space, which is more than enough for all your documents. So that's pretty much it. That's how to use Google Drive. How to set it up in your computer. I hope it helps. It saves you time, it saves you trouble. You never know what might happen to your computer. If you change computer, no problem. You just sync, install Google Drive, start the sync again, and you get all of your files back into your computer. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video, and next week we'll do something different with Google Drive. Okay.